Hello, this is a STEARsoft Cloud Server tutorial on part-time students and repeating codes across a whole term. So here I have my first week and I've entered with horizontal black bars when students are not going to be in school, so this is for part-time students. I've also put some codes, some P code in the afternoon on Thursday for the students that are going to be off playing games in the afternoon. So to put these codes in, you can either click and drag. So let's put Jessica not in school, so I can click this code here, or you can just go through and cycle through until you get to the appropriate code, or you can hold the equals key and click down where you want to put them, and I can hold the P key and put an extra code in there. Let's save those, and now I'm going to show how we can repeat this across the term so that I can see this happening for the rest of the term. So first of all, we need to go to the term that I want to be looking at. So I'm going to go to that term. I've got the week that I've currently got and I want to repeat it across here. So I go into repeater mode. I'm going to select every week, so that means what I click on will be repeated every week. So if I click on this, it's now repeated across the term for every week. I can click on that and gradually build it up. But I can also click and drag, so Val I can do in one go by clicking and dragging, and there's hers across. Or I can do the whole block. If I just want everything, I can click and drag the whole block and it copies everything across for the whole term. Done. So that's repeating whatever you might have entered across for the rest of the weeks that you see on the screen, and if you brought up the term, that will be for the rest of the term. The other thing is, for part-time students, I might not want to see all students when I'm taking a register, because students like Olive, who aren't in today, is cluttering it up. So Olive and Jessica and Alison, they're not in, neither's Gerard. So with these, 4 students, that's 4 more students than I need to really be showing. So if I go into class details, under part-time students, I can change this to hide students with no session today. Save that. I'm back at my register. I'm now only showing 16 students rather than 20. I've not got Olive and all the others. So now if I go into here and I start roll calling a register with P and O and P and P and O, I've not got the other ones that I'm concerned about. Those aren't in. Okay. Those students who are only in for half the day, they're still going to appear because you will want to see, and we're not sure what sort of time of the day it is. STEARsoft isn't quite clever enough to know whether you're opening this to mark something for the morning or the afternoon. So they will still be there. But hopefully you find that useful, and thank you for listening.